Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to use n8n locally using the Docker desktop. So n8n is an amazing tool if you are looking for a low code platform to build AI agents. On the website they offer 20 and 50 euro subscription, and if you want to just try the product you can do that for 14 days free trial. I know that many of you just want to experiment with this tool. In this case it makes sense to install it locally. Now n8n is a Node.js package and you can install it Node.js package manager. Now instead of using Node.js package manager, I'm going to advise you to install n8n in Docker environment. Now this is going to save you from a lot of dependency issues and will result in a stable environment that is easy to maintain. So for that, let's get started. So first step is to download Docker desktop. So just type here Docker desktop download. Go to this website Docker desktop here, then just scroll down and select your operating system. In my case I have Windows, so I click here download. Once the download has been finalized, let's initiate the installation process. Now Docker desktop is downloaded here, just click over here. Once the installation process has been finalized, then open this Docker desktop.
10 years later.
Just click over this close button. Now search for Docker desktop. Click over this right here, open. There is no need to create an account, so you just click over this skip button. I already have a Docker account, so I go with this Google for easy sign up. You see the menu of Docker in the left side of your screen here. Now click on this image, then click here on search image to run. Then I'm going to search for n8n IO. So just click on pull in order to download this image. Click here on this play button. Then you will see some optional settings where you can provide a name, host port. Now the by default host port is 5678, but I'm going to change this to 5670 just on my computer. You don't have to do the same changes. Then you can as well provide here path where the container will be stored and some other variables. For now I'm going to skip that and I'm just going to run the container. Now once the container has been created, let's navigate back to containers. Now you will see here the newly created containers, and here you will see on which port that is available. So just click here and this will open n8n, which has now been locally installed. Now you can fill your personal information like your first name, your last name and a password. Now this is used in order to create an admin account, and now you are ready to create your first AI agent using n8n, and that's it. Thank you.